Jeff DeGraff designed this experience with the intention that it's like sitting down to the final and you haven't been in the class. That seems unfair, and it feels like I'm looking at stuff, I'm confused and this is painful.
And this first week, we're being put in uncomfortable situations and environments, and where we have to take an approach to problem solving that is not necessarily something that is innate to us based off of what we're exposed to and our experiences in different career fields. So there was a gravitational pull towards that familiarity, towards that individual that kind of spoke the common language of the people. So it showed me that we had a specific bias that was built into us, being uncomfortable operating in a space that isn't necessarily natural to us.
All of the ways you've been trained and expected to perform have been, we're gonna set things up for you and you're gonna knock the dominoes down, right? Instead, this is gonna be a powerful learning experience because you get the test and then you get the lesson.
I've learned, and what I think the team learned, is that we're going to be reaching out to a whole bunch of people, and people want to help. They want to push the ball forward, and it might be fleeting. In this case, it'll be 12 to 13 weeks of working with these people, and then there's a fair chance that we won't talk again because we move on to different realms of the Air Force. But in that moment, we're all immediately on a team. Once you're in the Air Force or within a common organization, the need for storming and creating a team is actually very, very fast, because we all understand that we're all here to solve a similar project and we're all motivated to do so.
Maybe originally a lot of us wanted to be very task oriented and work on our own silos and kind of go our own different directions and then come back to meet as one unit. I think now, having gone through this week and learned a lot more about the creative Jumpstart process, I think we've learned that coming together and shaping perspectives on problems, not working in silos, right? Working together has really helped us.
So when I collaborated, what I used to thought was collaboration was kind of getting a bunch of like-minded people together to accomplish a common goal, which going through this and then us doing exercises realized if you have all like-minded people, you're actually never going to get anything done. You kind of need that conflict to drive you to your goals.
And just to have a team to bring other ideas or to accomplish more, that in itself is going to be the biggest teaching piece. And then us, the educational part of Jumpstart, where we're learning different roles in a team and just how to bring different styles together and instead of shutting each other down, building on each other. That's really probably the biggest benefit of this whole Project Mercury so far that I've seen.
So this educational experience, again, it is purposefully designed to push on the parts of you that are like, I kind of don't like this. And to say, kind of how are we going to figure it out? We need to step into that confusion and use that as a tool. We have to do the sense making because, man, the cavalry is not coming.